Thank you, Congressmember Delaney. The phones in my offices have been ringing off the hooks. I'm Congressmember Judy Chu, and I represent the California cities of Altadena and Pasadena, which have burned to the ground. My constituents are devastated and worried, and now they have another huge worry, and that is that their most sensitive data and the systems that control their taxpayer dollars have been handed over to an unelected billionaire, the billionaire who is President Trump's biggest political donor. And because of that, it has been handed over to unvetted lackeys. I am a member of the Ways and Means Committee, which is the committee that protects taxpayer dollars. Over the weekend, we learned that Elon Musk had unfettered access to the Treasury Department systems that disperse nearly all federal funds. That means he can see your Social Security number and bank information. He can see your confidential protected tax information. He might even be able to turn off your Social Security payments. And he's already bragged about canceling funds that Congress, through the legislative process, has appropriated. This is, of course, completely illegal, but Republicans in Congress have done nothing. Speaker Johnson even invited Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, the very person who granted Elon Musk this unprecedented access, to the Capitol Wednesday to plot how big their tax cuts for the wealthy would be and what programs they'd gut to fund them. Programs that real people rely on, such as Medicaid, SNAP, and more. So when I heard about this meeting, Congressmember Gwen Moore, who's a fellow member of the Ways and Means Committee, and I walked straight to the Speaker's office to demand to speak with the Secretary. This isn't business as usual. That's why we did it. Well, they put the Speaker in the room to talk to us, and then put the Treasury Secretary off through another door to avoid us. So we spoke to Speaker Johnson, and what we learned was shocking. The Speaker admitted that he did not know if Musk's actions were even legal, or what information his team had access to and was manipulating. But he still refused to take action to stop him. Fortunately, a federal court order has ordered Musk out of the Treasury systems, at least in terms of manipulating it, but not in terms of reading it. The danger certainly has not passed. If he remains in our government systems, he could unilaterally freeze federal funds for programs that women and families rely on. He may have already stolen women's private personal data, including sensitive health information. He could turn off funding for new mothers to help feed their babies, funding designated for community health clinics that provide a full range of reproductive care to women, funding for SNAP benefits and school lunches that feed hungry kids. We will not stop until we get answers. Women across America are relying on us to stand up for their rights, their benefits, and their privacy. And now I hand it back to Vice Chair Hillary Scholten for Q&A.